key card.
Hey guys, we're gonna be playing some Roblox jailbreak here.
But I have a key card already.
With Mache.
Doesn't work. Who has a key
And
card? We already have a
you
key
can do
card.
this.
Nobody cares, Mache. Just shut
And
up.
yeah, we're gonna have a 2v2, but Lorenzo first needs to load. Machi, where are you? Is he a prisoner? Machi, I'm right here.
Oh, look at
Wait, Machi. Machi, there. Machi, I'm on your team. Remember, we're first waiting for the rest of them. Noah, are you in the game?
I won't.
What are you
pickpocket
playing?
Austin. I don't. Milo, I don't have to pickpocket you because I already have a key card. Like you already know. Leave
The game and come into our jailbreak server. Is that just too hard to ask?
You missed me.
Machi.
What?
Noah.
Milo, come in my car.
Wait.
Come in my car.
Wait, first you kill. Because I can't arrest this person.
Milo, come.
Wait.
Wait, what? Me and I was gonna say me and I entered passenger.
No,
I entered
you and Machi
passenger.
are criminals.
Entered where?
Hey, Machi, remember.
No,
hey, wait.
here's your
Guys,
phone.
let's all go here.
No,
Let's all.
I'm using my brother's phone.
Okay, here it is
Machi,
anyway.
come. Machi, come into this car. We need to wait for Lorenzo and Noah to come. Machi, no shooting.
First, I need the skin. Yeah, I can't believe I have a key card. No, but Machi already has a key card.
Yeah. Hey,
Man!
Lorenzo, do you want to make it so that Machi and Noah can rob stuff?
Machi already has a key card.
Bro.
Yeah, who
You
cares?
pickpocketed my key card somehow.
Who cares? I have a key card. Who cares? Exactly.
How does Machi pickpocket my key card? If
No, I did. I
already
did.
have a key card.
I have 2 key cards.
No.
Criminal. Wait, but then I need to escape.
I actually shot Machi. I actually shot him through the car.
Oh. Stop shooting me.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do the shoot.
You said no shooting.
Hey, Machi, go there. Machi, go to the car. Go to the car.
Okay, I'm going.
Wait, I'm first gonna annoy this cop.
You want driver.
You know what I'm gonna do?
Everyone will think that my dad's card is no one. How I move? Oh. Hello, wait for me. I have 1,400. Hello.
Wow, that was close.
Milo, run.
Wait. Oh my god.
Milo.
Guys. Oh, wait. Are you in the server?
Yeah. I joined the game.
What's this
Who
person
cares?
doing?
I joined my key.
I arrested this guy. Wait, are you in? Wait. Wait, guys. Yeah, no, I was in the server. Guys.
The doors are open.
Use Safari too. Safari also works.
Easy. The doors are open.
The doors are glitched open. No, come on. Noah.
But Noah has the same thing as
No, you. Come on. Noah.
No.
I'm gonna open this door.
There's a cop.
Wait, Machi, there's a cop. Wait, Noah.
Hey, Machi, don't you have guns?
Noah, press enter. Press passenger.
Passenger. It is not working.
Oh no, crap.
No, yeah,
He's in. Wait, guys.
Wait, no, please. Don't escape without me.
You're gonna be a cop. Wait, I'm first gonna give them their weapons. I'm gonna get my weapons. Okay, guys. So
Ah! Cop!
you're bad. There's no one.
Wait!
You just jumped out of the car.
Cop!
No, cop arrested. Machi! There's a cop right there. Machi, hurry up. We're gonna go.
Passenger.
We're gonna go.
Oh.
Get in.
Help!
Machi, where are you?
I'm here! Stupid button.
Run. Hey, Noah. Lorenzo, help. Lorenzo, help Noah. Help Noah.
Where are you, Noah?
Noah's in the prison.
Oh, prison?
Help Noah and Machi. Help both of them. I want to first get my weapons.
I'm gonna get a shotgun. I'm arrested. Okay, I don't care. I'm gonna help you.
We're gonna come, guys.
Can you please, like,
Can you please stop saying that? Cause like for real, I have the video.
And I'm getting sick of Matcha's.
Anyways, guys, we are gonna be playing the 2v2 battle. I think we told you, but I don't know yet. We did. Well, anyways, guys.
That's all they say.
Me and Lorenzo are in one team. No, I'm watching. Hey, no, look, see? See?
Lorenzo,
Look, 10,000.
here.
Look, 10,000.
I'm here. I got pickpocketed.
Anyways, guys, I accidentally, wasted 10,000 chance.
What? Where are you? Oh,
Wait, Lorenzo, try to escape. I'm coming. Try to run away. I'm coming.
no! Someone got your gun. Yeah, I know. I gave it my all. You guys.
Hey, you know what, Lorenzo? You gave it your all, but you know what? I didn't give my all.
And also,
Yo.
just got a rocket launcher.
I can't jump. Okay. What the?
Let's get that woman.
Hey, is he still there?
You're the one. So guys, today as you can see, I'm playing Roblox, and today we're gonna be playing. I forgot the name. Jailbreak. Mello, where are you? And I'm trying to
Whoa,
find out
whoa,
where.
whoa.
People.
People.
I'm over here.
Ah, so much people.
Why did you
Man,
go
there's
to-
people. Wait.
I found your channel. I've already liked it. I've already subscribed to your channel.
Thanks.
Oh,
Wait, Noah.
subscribe to his channel, huh?
Hey, Noah.
I'm trying to get inside this. Oh,
Hey, Noah, come. Come to the visitors area.
wait for me. I know you're so.
No, people are still coming after me.
Guys, wait up, please. I have
Zombies.
Ah.
Zombies. Wait, Mache. Go, sit on a chair.
So guys, please shut up.
Man. I arrested someone. And then another someone. Man, we good.
So
Watch
guys,
it.
currently,
Watch out. Watch it jump.
shut up.
Hey.
Why not save me?
I can't. What?
You can punch him.
Oh, no. He's here. Oh, follow me. Go to the prison. Go to the cafeteria. Mache, go to the cafeteria.
You can't. You haven't saved me from the prison.
Lorenzo, no cheating. No burnout already.
Who said I'm cheating? He shot me. I am not cheating at all.
No, Lorenzo's
What, I
cheating.
got you? What do you mean I'm cheating? I'm not
You're
cheating.
leaving
Someone
the
shot me
place.
but then I had nothing. Wait, what is the place?
The prison. Wait, no, come on. Go
Oh.
to the cafeteria. I'll wait there. Why are so many people just trying to steal my key card? No, come here. Into that room.
Oh yeah.
No, look. Wait, don't go there. Go into the place where the cells are. And go all the way to the end.
I want to go to the cell.
This guy has a key card. That guy has a key card?
Come on, this thing. Yay, I'm finally free. Okay, guys, I'm going right back. Hey, just wanted to make my helicopter better. So, guys, anyway.
I
have to become a policeman. They keep arresting me.
Wait, Mache, come to the cafeteria. I'm at the cafeteria. Me and Noah are both at the cafeteria.
Okay, guys, wait up.
Mache.
I'm going right to the cafeteria.
In the prison.
No.
Yeah. Anyways, guys,
So, guys,
you stole my key card.
currently, I'm going to the cafeteria.
Mache,
Come
come to the cafeteria.
Can I get gun?
No.
Oh, yeah, the phone. You're going to try.
Mache, where are you?
Don't go out.
Fine. We won't go
Guys,
out.
currently, I'm trying to find out where.
Oh, it's not Mache. Mache, I'm here.
I have a key card. Guys, wait up.
Pickpocket me.
Please, wait up. Oh, it's the other way around.
We're waiting. We are here. We're waiting.
Wait.
So, who has the best car? Noah or Mache? Who has the best car?
Who has the best helicopter? Me.
No, because I have the dinosaur helicopter, remember?
I also have the look at this. Look at this booty. I got a key card. So beautiful. Okay, so let's see. Who does have the best car? I have a I'm dying.
Oh, no! There's a girl who's wrecking me for some reason.
Somebody just shooted me.
No. They want me dead or alive. Dead or alive. The bad. But Mache,
I'm actually scared for once in my life of being a police.
why?
I don't know.
Okay, no one's here. No one's in the police station. Mache, are you in the police station?
I gotta run. I'm gonna die, my good boys. I run.
What the? Oh. Whoa!
Okay,
Whoa!
guys, I'm in. Let me get
What are those?
Why am I not getting the shotgun?
Lorenzo, look what I'm doing. What the?
Somebody's killing me.
Shooting. Why is the door stuck open? Guys, this thing is glitched. I died somehow. I died.
Mache, what are you doing?
Person.
Oh, Mache, you're not the owner of the car. I can't drive the car.
What the? Why is there people in the police?
Got my taser out. Got my taser.
No, wait. This is scary.
No, I got arrested.
No, that was not me. Oh, I see.
Oh, they arrested me. Oh, yeah, the same? Yeah, that's the same guy who arrested me. It was her.
I died.
But you know what? Noah. When we get arrested, someone can help us.
Yeah, Milo.
Out.
Milo or Lorenzo?
But I can
What
help.
the?
Milo, why are you like that?
Am I like what?
You're not a cop, Monty.
Where am I, by the way? Where am I?
Oh, there you are.
Okay.
You're right over there.
You're good.
Hello. I can break you out.
We should watch out, cause remember,
What?
criminals.
No, what are you doing? I'm not breaking the shit.
I'm gonna quickly go get some guns. I'll come back.
Hey,
guys.
wait up. I wanna go with you. I don't have any guns, technically.
No,
I just have the shotgun and the...
no.
Hey, what about us?
Wait, we're gonna come back. All we need
Go.
are just guns. All we need are guns, and we're gonna come back, guys.
You already have guns.
No, but I still need my AK and my RPG. Well, anyways, guys,
Monty, look how fast
the-
I'm running.
the battle.
Look how fast
That's
I'm
good.
running. So we just need to wait, get our guns,
Wait,
and
what? Wait,
then
what setting is that? Wait.
we fight the... Guys. Hey,
Oh,
hurry
oh,
up,
okay.
driver.
Sorry, what did you say?
Wow, wait, what? Lag.
Marky.
Oh, no lag.
You don't have a key card. Eep.
No.
What? It's not letting me jump out.
Yeah, me neither. Wait, what? What? Okay, I'm out.
I'm not. You're still in the car.
No, I'm out.
No? You're in the car.
No, I'm not here.
No, you're in the car.
No, I'm not.
You're in the car. How am I gonna get my guns now? Guys.
Hey, there's nobody in the car.
Made
Nobody
it.
else. Hey, look.
You're
right there. Oh, there you are. Why are you sitting down? Why did you just kill yourself? You're bad.
Now I glitched. Well, anyways.
We're escaping.
How glitched is this game? What? Lorenzo?
What?
I found out how to enter my car every time I went.
Oh,
Look, Lorenzo, if a criminal's trying to shoot me, just press E and wait. Guys, computer time over.
So guys,
we
now
don't even have guns yet.
we're gonna start driving. And
You know what? We might
No.
just leave. We might just leave this because they glitched. Anyways, guys, bye. Thank you guys for playing with us. I'm sorry that we didn't have the 2v2 battle, but we wouldn't have that.
Hey,
Your channel has 3
your
subscribers.
video's
Okay.
glitched. Literally, look, I'm right in front of you.
They
Jumping.
arrested me.
Shut up, Mache.
Yeah, it's not glitch.
Don't
Yeah,
harass
well,
my
guys-
Now you're not
friends.
glitched.
I can't pick up my
glitch.
guns. Guys, bye. Thank you, and peace.